ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back. Now, still the late night show. Like I talked just now, before we can go for a break, because I see they follow us on top Twitter, and we make this announcement because say many people on top Twitter they give us better gist as as the show concerned. All right, so W Late Night Show on top Twitter at W Late Night Show. Go there and knock your gist. Follow us, and then we'll follow you back as well. All right, so like I talked just now before the break too. We get our second guest inside the building. This is the younger brother to our third guest for the day. And another person where that particular guy don't mentor too. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to help me make welcome the very funny Ekene Smith in the building. Ekene Smith. Ekene Smith. How far now?
I did, bros.
How you do?
We do.
And so you see that like say, bros, how far now? Like say, next, like say, what's the bros? How far? Anything for the boys? How you did?
I did, bros.
Ekene Smith. Now, for you now, just now get Kulu. But for you, we see where Ekene will first start from as a small leader here. When nobody like say comedy they involved for, but he can't go, not be Delsu. Delsu go the tear. And for anybody to go that kind of place, go they worry. That means man forget. He don't sabi work with that. For you now, how comedy takes start? Now based on influence on a natural inborn thing.
Na natural thing, but still influence still contribute.
Okay.
Understand? So when I still dey Lagos, then before I go meet the.
You go speak up. Oh.
When I dey Lagos, then before I go Delta State, understand? I don't feel they influence myself with comedians. I don't see how the thing they go.
I say elder bros, they for the ministry, and you always deal with them.
I don't really see how the comedy they go. So that can't enter that side. That's Delta State. Now, consider more. These people serve, they bond them with the comedy. So the comedy just there around me.
Because that one, I be saying, worry boys, they around you. Worry boys, they around you. And for that place, if you gawk.
No, you don't need gawk. Na draw. Patak na draw.
Serious? For some boys, they fall hard now.
And they still dey.
Because I know say many people, they watch us for areas where they speak like this.
Yes.
They watch us for area. Because on the good day, sometimes they open line before. And the people want to call in. Many waffy boys, they always call. So don't hail your Delsu people. They made they know say Canadian on the level.
So I greet everybody. I greet now everybody where they watch me from Delta State, Warri area.
That area, see, that thing they be like announcement and roll call.
It be like national anthem.
Serious for that side. So they must say area, area. But say you never perform for that side before, because me, for all my waka for comedy, Delta na one place where I never see enter. Even though I be Delta boy, but Delta na one place where I never see enter good make performance. So I know if it's to gauge how the thing they be. But for that side, for Warri to be precise now, how it be when person dey stage and you knock gist? You funny, not be saying not funny. But he get one man, which man they talk? That feedback that they give sometimes. How they always be sometimes. You don't ever experience that kind of cold fit things.
I don't experience them, sure. I don't experience them. Now, one thing, Warri in a place where go make you strong.
Okay.
As a comedian, a place where go make you build yourself. If you really know say that what you want to do, it go build you. You understand? Because if they don't fall your hand like several times like that, you will not say, oh, well, you need to prepare yourself, come face these people.
But you don't get several experiences like that.
I don't get.
Based on say on your learning period before you don't come get strong math like this.
I don't get.
Share that experience with us.
The experience.
Maybe one out of several.
The experience will be waiting that they remember.
Okay, so as thing just happened to you, you don't forget them.
You don't go forget them, shy. It's still there. But now waiting go make you come to work on yourself. You understand? To be a better comedian for that side. Because that side comedian, the ones with the Lagos are two different kinds of comedy. Those people now, the people you go see and say these ones now raw. Everybody, an average Warri boy and a comedian. So they believe say they get that comedy naturally.
Naturally inside body. For not be now we come from Lagos, they form diluting.
Yes.
Because Lagos they look to go and say you're on see based on say not too pure, say one thing. Now that means for your food Delsu, you're gonna cancel chicks anyhow. This laugh, suspicion this side. This laugh. If like waiting bad thing follow. Talk to Ekene. How you think they handle your female fans? Especially for that your Delsu way be there.
Now my fans, you understand. So if you pursue all of them, you know get fans again.
Okay. So basically,
I did try as much as possible today manage them.
To manage them. When you say management now, because this management, when they say manage them, I'm sure that the one where make us say they talk with that. Because as much as possible, we don't say yes based on everything, you know, but because very soon we'll carry the big-headed Emeka Smith inside the building. You know, but so far, what will be the best thing we don't learn so far as a comedian? The best lesson we don't learn, if now just one word, Seth, the best we don't learn so far as comedian for your journey, as protege to your elder brother?
Originality.
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 Originality. All right. So if you just throw small light on that before you do your performance.
Originality, they really distinguish you from other comedians. You understand? When you do original, people they say, even though say you are not that extremely funny, but you're original, your materials they come out fresh.
Okay.
No matter say there'll be people own, now your own.
Okay.
Even though say there'll be material, we say everybody go they go. Everybody go one laugh to ram, but at least the little people where they laugh to ram no say, this guy is original. Now think really make now your own. I really distinguish.
Not be person own way carry join body. Because some people they convert joke, they resurrect joke, recycle and re-edit every. All right, ladies and gentlemen, Ekene Smith is in the building, and by the time we come back from this small thing now, Ekene go perform for us. All right, so we'll take this breaker. We come back and Ekene Smith go perform for us. Thereafter, we bring the biggest bros himself into the building. All right, so don't go anywhere. And still the late night show.